हेलो। आवाज आ रही है
हेलो
आपको मेरी?
सर। जी।
ओके, तपन अभी तपन नहीं आया। आ गया आ गया। ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट. We have discussed about this. So when we create the original file, your soft link will not work, where hard link will work. So that I have discussed earlier. But now, suppose what is the use of, tell me what is the use of MB command? Anyone can tell about MB? What is MB? What is the use of this particular file? It's called move. It's a full form of this move. What is the use of MB? Anyone can
से
tell?
कॉपी करना।
Not a copy. It's used for to move the data and for rename also. It used to move the data just like cut, not a just like copy, just like cut. You can
ओके
use
ओके
just like a cut MB and for the rename also. And we want to rename this particular file by this name. So it will do when we create a file with this same name, your soft link will work. So we move hard link and the name of the soft link, name of the file is this. So this file will create, then this link will be alive. So soft link will work now because we have the another copy of this file. So you can also use copy command, cp command, and you can also use mb command to rename this. Now see, your soft link will work. Your soft link will work. Here this not work, and at this time it will work. And the all data from this file will be redirect in this particular file like this. So all data will be exist because we have the copy of this original file. So now we can use cp command and we can also use the mb command to create the same name. So this is the use of hard link and soft link. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I will demonstrate you by using another example.
सर आपने जो
If you
बताया
have
था हार्ड लिंक का 1 होता है और नहीं सर सॉफ्ट लिंक का 1 होता है, हार्ड लिंक का 2
by
होता है सर, वो क्या
default,
था?
link count for the hard link is 2 and for the soft link is 1. This is the default, but we can change like this. Suppose we create one file. The file name is chris.sh. This is my file. We have a content in this hello. We have one file. The file name is chris. So your file will be create. You have the content in this file, this. So now at this time, what is the link count is? It's a link count 1 by default because it's a regular file only. So for the regular file, it's only 1. When we create soft link or hard link for this file, what will happen? ls-s, we want to create a soft link of this particular file, and the soft link name is this. What will happen? Okay, now we have wrong type the command name, and this is my hard link. So we change the name hard. So all soft link and hard link will create. Now you can check. This is your original file. What is the link count? Now it will change because it has 2 copy. Because hard link will create 1 copy also, and this is hard link. What is this? Is hard link. It has earlier it has only 1 copy, so its link count is only 1. Now it has 2 copy. The 1 copy is also this, and the 1 copy is also this. How can we differentiate? It's a 2 copy because both are the same. Both are the same sequence number. It's also the same, and it's also the same. So for the hard link, the inode number always same. When we create 2 copy, 3 copy, 4 copy, 5 copy, just like this. Suppose if we create another, if we create another, it will create, if we create 3 copy, it will also create. Then the inode number will always change. Now it has multiple copy of original file, 4. So it has 5 copy like this. Now at this time, how many copy of this file? We have 5 copy. This is the original, and we also have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is original. It's a 6. So we have 6 copy of this file. When 1 copy is deleted, we have rest of this. So when all the data, all the hard link we delete, then it just only 1. But for the soft link, you can check. We have only 1, not change. It always 1. But for the hard link, it will change when we create multiple copy of this file. So now it will change. Now you can understand what I am saying or not? Hello Krishna, have you understand this or not? Anyone has doubt, you can ask. Hello? No. Where is
हेलो
Tapan?
सर, सुनाई दे रहा है सर?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
हेलो
हाँ जी बताइए।
सर, समझ में आ गया सर। सर ये जो सॉफ्ट कॉपी में सर उसका नंबर जो रिमेनिंग वही रहेगा ना सर, जैसे
हाँ
कि
ये
1 है
सेम,
ना वहाँ पे?
it always same. But when we
अच्छा।
create multiple copy of this particular original file, the number count, link count will change.
अच्छा।
Understand? Suppose
Yes sir.
if we create the original file like this. Now at this time, tell me your soft link will work or not? Your soft link will work or not? Anas, soft link will work or not? Can you tell me? If you are hearing me, so please answer.
No.
Okay. Am I audible for you? Okay.
उसका माइक भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा सर।
Okay, no doubt. I will send this a recording to you so you can understand this better. If you are not hearing me, no issue. So when we delete, now you can see here your soft link will not work. My chris.sh. Okay. I am not deleting this file, just mark this. When we remove this, this file will be deleted. Now you can check. Your soft link will not work. You can check. Because
सर
when you
इसको
have original file, then the soft link will work. When you have no original file, your soft link will not work. But at this time, you can check. Now, you have only file copy of this file. So the link will change. At that time, it has six. Now, we have only 5 copy of this file.
हाँ
So we have this
सर
copy, this copy, this copy, this copy, this copy. So we have the backup. So we can copy this backup as a original. So there is no data in this file. When we copy from this particular file and to this particular file, then your soft link will work. Now we use at this time cp command, not mv command. We copy all that content from this particular location to this particular location, from this particular file to this particular file. So your soft link will work. Now you can see your soft link now working, and you can show all the content that you have in the file. Now at that time, what it will display? No such file or directories. But now at this time, it's showing the content from this particular file. It's a soft link. How can I see? It's a L. L means soft link. Now you can see these all the 5 files have the same inode number. So for the hard link, inode number will always same. So it has a lot of theory of this. It's a big concept. So I will discuss you tomorrow. I tell you earlier class that it a big command. It has a big theory. So I will discuss later. So now you can check. ln is a small command but has a lot of theory. So this is a theory. What is link? Use ln command to create hard link. What is hard link? Hard link is another name of what? For the existing file. You can create soft link and hard link. The command need 2 arguments. The first for the existing file and the another for the hard link or soft link also. When you create any file, when you create a new file, the hard link will created. Create another name that point the same data. So it's a hard link. New hard link act exactly like the original command, same work. But we have some limitations. Hard link can only be used for the file. We can't create hard link for the folder like this. We can't create a hard link for the folder. Suppose this is my folder HH and we want to create a hard link. HH hard underscore HH. We can't create because hard link is not allowed for the directories. And when we have the same file system, then we will create. Suppose now at this time I'm working in this particular file system. When we create the file system for this particular file system to another file system, we can't create because we have 2 partitions at the same time and we want to create a hard link for C drive to D drive. We can't create. Same for this, we can't create a hard link for one partition to another partition. We have 2 partitions and the one file is existing in another partition, and we want to create a hard link in another location, another partition. We can't create. So these are the limitations. We can only create the same file system and same partition. Partition will be same, the file system will be same. All are the same because it a same copy of the data. So hard link has some limitations also. But if we want to create a soft link of this particular folder, so we can create. Soft link can be created for folder also and for file also. So now you can see this is the folder and this is the soft link. You can also use the cd command for the soft link also, soft_hh. So you can use, you can create file also. Now you can exit from the, now you can check the original folder. So your data will be exist same. Now we work in this particular soft link, but all the data will be redirect to the folder also. So we can create soft link for the folder and we can also create the soft link, hard link for the file. File and folder we can create. Soft link can be created for file and folder. Folder means directory. But hard link only for regular file, only for the regular file.
सर एक जो रेगुलर फाइल मींस सर वो ओरिजिनल होगा क्या
Regular
सर?
just a
Existing?
simple text file. If we have a block file, if we have a special file, we can't create. Regular means when it will show only hyphen on the starting, it's called a regular file. When we have L, it's a link file. So there are 6 type of file in Linux operating system: link file, directory file, character file, block file, special file. So these are the type of file. So only for the regular file. Hard link only use for the regular files. So you can see this. You can't create a soft link for the directory and special file. So I am telling you about the hard link and only for both file are on the same file system. If we have two different partition, you can't create. So these are some limitations of hard link. We can check, we can create soft link by using the this. So this is the theory. So you read this, then you can understand better. Okay. Now we will just move to another topic. So now my topic is from the chapter 5. That's a Vim. So I will discuss about Vim. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now we will discuss about chapter 5. So this I will discuss. This is my another topic.